Morning friends, today we are going to see American Insights for 26th of August in the ongoing American economic and political series. The most important, the foremost news of the day, that Donald Trump administration or the US government has been sued, and surprisingly it has been sued by TikTok. Now the reason they have given is that the Donald Trump administration deprived them of due process of law, where the President Trump used his emergency economic powers. Again, on the context, emergency economic powers, the options can come: economic powers, national interest, or emergency economic powers. So you have to tick on the emergency economic powers, because the Donald Trump, actually the cases against TikTok has been said that I have covered them in detail in previous my lectures, that TikTok, the allegation, the California state of California is very unhappy with him, with TikTok. And the reason they cited is that TikTok has been alleged to send facial images. They used to scan the child users, and for adult users they send their private data to China. So basically what they are doing is, Donald Trump has cited a national interest into it. So I've done it in details, and moreover this has escalated the war between America officials and TikTok and TikTok parent companies bite down. So you remember these things. I mean, if a question comes around it, you can easily answer it now. Second is Donald Trump advisor. He's one of the key advisors, Miss Conway. Kellyanne Conway has resigned abruptly and will leave the White House this month and focus on her children. The reason cited her focus on the children, it was all over the news channels, Fox News, everyone covered it, and they cited the headline was "Less Drama, More Mama." So Conway 53 was supposed to be one of the key speakers on day 3 of Republican National Convention. So it is very important, which begins on 24th of August, and now let's see what happens in the future. And the third important news will be about Mike Pompeo, the U.S. Secretary of State. He is on Middle East, a few countries of Middle East, and here he addressed a joint press conference with Benjamin Netanyahu in Jerusalem and said that it is the duty of America will ensure that Israel always enjoyed a military edge in the Middle East. And now recently they have brokered, the White House, Donald Trump administration, Donald Trump in particular himself, has brokered a peace deal between UAE and Israel. So basically, earlier Israel was having normal relations or embassies with Egypt and Jordan. So now UAE will be awarded with F-35 fighter jets by US. So he is saying that Pompeo is hoping that other countries also join normal relations with Israel, and moreover America and Israel are very close friends, everyone knows it. And moreover, how Sudan official was fired on this because he said that Sudan might also think to have normal relations with Israel. So Israel is surrounded by 28 Muslim countries, so a lot of going in Middle East. I've covered a separate feature on this, and in future there will be a lot more being covered on this. And the last news of the day will be the US nod for plasma treatment. A US health watchdog has given emergency authorization for it. Again, the emergency, and they have outweighed the potential risk. So having said that, it will cover for the day, and more news will be covered as the subsequently US elections comes in, and it will be get more muddy, it will be get more interesting in the rest of the world. Thank you. And moreover, the fight with China on artificial intelligence, on trade, everything is going ahead on. So thank you so much for listening. Have a nice day.